So, welcome back to Iron Squirrel. My name is Miro, and this is another episode from my stone house restoration. So, my workshop is done. The bottom part, the top part is not still completed, and I'm living now in the house almost 4 months, give it or take. I have the place to wash myself, I have place to sleep, but I do not have a kitchen. So today's episode will be about the kitchen, and I am not a woodworker. I am primary blacksmith, so I do with the metal. Also, I'm doing bells and clocks and towers, etc. And with wood, only thing what I'm doing is carpentry work. I have some knowledge about woodworking, to making cabinets, etc., etc., but it's not my cup of coffee. And I have some woodworking tools. I have the track saw, table saw, routers, and so on, but it's not my primary. My primary is something like this. Those are my basic tools which I use quite often. They are very old. This is from my grandfather, and just carpentry tool. You cannot take this like how to do some stuff. I will do it how I am able to do it. Just simple cabinets, and they need to serve to work, so I will do it simply. And because I do not have a proper woodworking workshop, I am forced to do it outside. So let's get to it and enjoy. I decided to go just very simple, so now I'm building very simple boxes. I don't know how to explain it, but they are just simple boxes. They will be stuck together, fastened with a few bolts, and on the top there will be countertop from hardwood, and that's all. base assembly of kitchen is done, and I do not want to prolong this video with more sequences, so at the end you will see the final product. I'm sure that I will make another video about kitchen, maybe few months, maybe year later, because I have another important projects to do in the house, and I have a lot of work. And that's all for now. Thank you very much for watching. If you can, like, subscribe, I will be very glad. And I will see you in the next episode. Have a nice day, be safe, and goodbye.